choose any prime ministerial candidate of the India Alliance, ultimately it would be like rearranging the deck chairs on Titanic. Because aayega to Modi. No, but to be serious, you see, I think as far as putting out a name is concerned, both Arvind Kejriwal and Ms. Mamata Banerjee have gone one up on the Congress. They have done it deliberately and they have made it public. Just imagine, the Congress is now suddenly on a back foot, and Acharya-ji, with due respect to him, has come up with his own names. Tomorrow, 5 other Congress netas will come up with their own names. Some of them would be Rahul Gandhi, another Priyanka Gandhi, another Digvijay Singh. Who knows? The whole point is that there is so much of division inside the India Alliance that ultimately, I'm telling you, they will not reach a consensus on who will be the prime ministerial face. They will say, when we win, we will decide. And finally, just, a minute, because this is also very important. So one of your panelists talked about it, the unity of India Alliance will surprise you. I want to comment on that. India said Rahul Gandhi is not a nation, but a union of states. India Alliance is indeed not for the nation, but a union of corrupt, immoral, sectarian, communal states. And it is not just me saying it, but rather Congress itself. You don't believe me? Let me explain. Congress wants to save the life of democracy in India by teaming up with Mamata Banerjee, who it blames for the death of democracy in Bengal. Congress wants to rid corruption in India by teaming up with Pinarayi Vijayan, who it blames for the 100 crore camera scam in Kerala. Congress wants to purge sectarianism in India by teaming up with Bhagwant Mann, who it blames for appeasing Khalistanis in Punjab. Congress wants to rid terror appeasement in India by teaming up with Stalin, who it blames for felicitating Rajiv Gandhi's killer in Tamil Nadu. Congress wants to remove sleaze from India by teaming up with Nitish Kumar, who it blames for perpetrating the massive Srijan scam in Bihar. I can go on and on and on about UP, about Kashmir, about Jharkhand, where the Congress is accusing the, Sorenji for horse trading. This is the unity. If this is the unity, I don't know what disunity means.
Well,